Hey, welcome back, Gary Brown, and we're forging on with some sciatica stretching. Sciatica's been acting up and coming back, and really gets worse when I'm out here in the shop. I haven't been out here all week. It's Saturday morning. It's Saturday morning and I'm practicing my social distancing by going to the shop. But I hope everybody's staying safe and staying healthy. I got a few things to do. I'm going to be doing some regular projects and some sit-down projects today in the shop. And just starting out, stretching out my sciatica a little bit. So. Anyway, let's get started on a few things. All right, so stretching out of the way. I don't do enough stretching. My younger daughter, is actually helping me try to do some yoga to stretch. And I've never done yoga, and I'm not very good at it. My bad knees, all they do is just pop a lot. She says, get a balance. I'm like, okay, well, my knees are popping at an equal amount, I'm balanced. So anyway, won't be doing any forging, sorry. Not right now anyway, because I have been putting my boards up. Whoops, where is it at? Right there. All through there on the ceiling, which is something I've been wanting to do for a long time. Using that lift and my ladder. But I have piled everything over here toward my forge and anvil. Had to move my anvil out of the way, and I've got to move everything even more to get some more boards up. And the next board I have to do, I don't know if you can see this or not, I have to, it's going to go right, let's see, it'd be right there. It's going to go from about here over to here, 8 foot. Each of these boards are 2 feet apart. But I got an outlet there I got to go around. I've got to drop these light fixtures, and I've got to drop the tracks of my garage door just to put one board up. So that one board probably going to be all I get done. I'm going to try to get that today, but yeah. Okay. And we'll see what this is about. Well, like I said, I hope everybody's practicing social distancing, staying safe and healthy. We're all staying home, and it's not that big of a chore for me to stay away from people, just because I like being out in the country and like being away from everybody most of the time anyway. So my daughters say I'm just a social introvert, I think. Anyway, they said the explanation of introvert and extrovert is where do you get your energy from? If you get more energy from being by yourself, then you kind of recharge your batteries, then you're an introvert. If you recharge your batteries by being around other people, that gets you going and feeling good, then you're an extrovert. So I'm very social. It's on YouTube. But very social, talk to everybody, anybody. Kind of annoys my kids because I'm doing the same thing that used to annoy me when I was their age that my dad did. He could start up a conversation with somebody at a gas pump. Didn't matter. I do the same thing. So I don't know if it's an inherited trait or a learned behavior from your parents, but that's me. Anyway, I am working on some small things around the house while I'm sitting here. I'm going to try to do some more boards up there, and I just thought I'd kind of bring you along and see how we do, and hope everybody's doing well, and that we can just stay in touch virtually. I mean, just think if this happened 20 years ago and there's no internet, and or very little internet. See, So that would have been in the year 2000, 20 years ago. There had been no internet and or very little internet, nothing like it is today. Nobody was on there much. And sure wasn't Facebook and YouTube and any of that stuff. So, there was no way to, if you're isolated and social distancing from people, then you were just literally isolated. All you had was a telephone to talk to people or write letters. So it was a lot different. Today I'm working from home 5 days a week. We're having virtual meetings with everybody on video. We can see each other, just like it's in our company said at one time, at any given time, they have up to 30,000 employees connected to their network. I mean, that's insane. So it's come a long way just in my short time around, and I can't imagine what it's going to be like in another 20 years. So y'all have a blessed day, and we're going to do a few little projects, and then I probably won't be doing a Tuesday tip just because with the anvils or forging, because I don't have any. I can't get to the forge right now, so I'll just do these as some little quick things as Tuesday tips. So y'all have a blessed day, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.